This is dissection table number 1. Today we are discussing about the deep muscles of the front of forearm. The first one is a flexor digitorum profundus, origin, the upper 3/4 of the anterior and medial surface of the shaft of the ulna, and upper 3/4 of the posterior border of the ulna, medial surface of olecrona and coronoid process of ulna, and adjoining part of the anterior surface of the interosseous membrane. The insertion of this muscle is the muscle forms 4 tendons for the medial 4 digits which enter the palm by passing deep to the flexor retinaculum in ulnar bursa and digital synovial sheath. Opposite the proximal phalanx of the corresponding digit, the tendon perforates the tendon of the flexor digitorum superficialis. Each tendon is inserted on the palmar surface of the base of the digital phalanx. The nerve supply to this muscle is medial half by the ulnar nerve, lateral half by the anterior interosseous nerve, which is the branch of a median nerve. And the actions of this muscle helps the flexor of a digital phalanges after the flexor digitorum superficialis has flexed the middle phalanges. Secondarily, it flexes the other joints of the finger and wrist. It is the chief gripping muscle. It acts best when the wrist is extended. The next muscle is the flexor pollicis longus. The origin of this muscle is upper 3/4 of the anterior surface of the shaft of radius, adjoining part of the anterior surface of the interosseous membrane. And the insertion of this muscle is the tendon enters the palm by passing the deep to the flexor retinaculum. It is inserted into the palmar surface of the distal phalanx of the thumb. The nerve supply is anterior interosseous nerve, which is a branch of a median nerve, and actions is a flex the distal phalanx of the thumb. Continued action may also flex the proximal joints crossed by the tendon. The next muscle is pronator quadratus. Origin of this muscle is oblique ridge on the lower 1/4 of the anterior surface of the shaft of ulna and the area medial to it. The insertion is superficial fibers into the lower 1/4 of the anterior surface and the anterior border of radius. Deep fibers into the triangular area above the ulnar notch. The nerve supply is again anterior interosseous nerve, which is a branch of a median nerve, and action is a superficial fibers pronate the forearm, and deep fibers bind the lower ends of radius and ulna. The next muscle is the adductor pollicis. Origin is an oblique head, capitate bone and the bases of the second and third metacarpal, and a transverse shaft of the third metacarpal. Insertion is medial side of the base of a proximal phalanx of the thumb.